Hi, welcome back to part 2 of robots. So, yeah, I guess to transform this one, you kind of want to put the arms down, I guess. Maybe a bit. I don't know, like I said, these ones, they don't really have any instructions on them. And then you kind of want to split them a little bit, so just kind of give it a little pull and split. So, there's his arms. Oh, the little turrets, they do kind of whittle a little bit side to side, but not that much. And can they go up and down? They look like it, but when you look at the bottom here, no, they can't. I mean, it's actually a pretty nice detailing on the boat. And then for the body, just pull it open like this and swing it around, and then it is transformed. Although the body likes to kind of slump down a bit. Don't know why. Would have been nice if it could stay open, but oh well. Now, something that's kind of cool is it actually does have little molded hands. So there is little hands molded in there, but you know, they can't do anything. The face is kind of like ugh, for the robot, but it is nice that there is a face. There is panel lining on here. Not that much up front here, but I mean, really simple. Like, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe like a 6-step transformation. You can kind of have him like he's somewhat saluting other robots, kind of like that, or like he has his cup hands or something. We would like to if the hands could. Oh, the hands, they do kind of move out a little bit. So just to let you know, that's pretty close, and then they do kind of move out slightly, as you can see there. It just kind of went out a little bit to give it a little bit more clearance room, and it kind of straightens them up a little bit so they're not drooping down. But yeah, so it kind of is doing the old hurry up in there, I gotta go, I can't hold it anymore type of dance. You know, you could kind of make him do, you know, the little pee-pee dance. Hey, that's how they made his hands / arms. Head does not rotate. The only thing that rotates, I guess you could say, he has like a waist swivel and maybe a slight ab crunch, even though it's not really his ab, it's more like the lower legs. And no, the legs do not split apart in two. It's just one solid piece. But you know what? The transformation was actually very easy to follow. Even though that they don't show any sorts, they just show vehicle mode, robot mode. Transformation, very easy, very simple to understand to transform from vehicle mode into robot mode, which, as you know,